Okay, erokamano ahinya janeno mara kawuono wabiro e piny Luo kumiluongo ni United States of Angoro ka wabiro achiel kachiel kod penjo moluwore kod kizungu kaka iwacho ni Luo ng'ien kizungu. How are you Engineer Ramanu?
I'm fine, I'm fine kabisa.
Ini nade?
Adhi maber.
So iikori duoka penjo mar kizungu madwa penji ni.
Kizungu yot malich, mano be subject mana kalo namba di.
Ang'e ni Luo is made of English.
Aye, to English ok oa ka Luo. Ka jaluo kia English kare idwa ni wawach tok.
Wachako piyo piyo number 1. What is the past tense of the word think?
Think, started. Started.
Make a correct sentence using the word thoughted.
I was started, I am sleeping.
Nope.
You are thoughted, you are sleeping. Erokamano ahinya kuom wuoyo kodwa achiel kachiel koa e gweng' mar Angoro. Wasewinjo kisungu mari. Wachako warado gi nyako moro ka kendo maber ahinya. What is your name, nyako?
My name is Nyusumu.
Your name is Nyusumu. To adwa penji penjo mar kizungu. Ikori duoko penjono?
Aikora.
What is the past tense of the word go?
Going.
Going. Now make a correct sentence using the word going.
I want to go, I want to go.
You want to go. Thank you very much. Erokamano kuom wuoyo kod TV ni Minara the Beast. Minara idhi nade?
Adhi maber.
Iwuoyo achiel kachiel gi TV mar Engineer Manus. Wapenjo penjo moko mag kizungu. Ikori duoko?
Aikora maratari.
Koro, what is your name?
My name is Shadrach Minara.
Your name is Shadrach Minara. Very good. Yes. Now, make a correct sentence using the word pandemic.
You know, English language originates from Luo land. Being a Luo is something ignorambus. So, I just want to construct a sentence using the word pandemic.
Pandemic.
Yes.
Construct that sentence using the word pandemic.
Yes. Minara is a pandemic man.
You are a pandemic man.
Yes.
Thank you very much for speaking with Engineer Manus TV. You are live from United States of Angoro. This is Engineer Manus TV. You can like, you can subscribe. Your host today was Wood Jane Jared. Puthinindo Kechodengu Nietol. Erokamano ahinya.